Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add videos to CapCut PC. And I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. Okay, after you download it, and just open and click new project to make a new project. And you can import your videos, audios, or photos you like to edit. Just click on import button and prepare your video before, and select the videos. Just click open and you can import another image or just audios. Alright, that's it. And how you can do edit with CapCut PC, just drag to the right, so you can use all the feature available here. So you can or check out the preview panel, timeline, and toolbar features. Alright, you can see with export button right here to export your videos edited. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.